Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another English lesson. Hello, Michael. How are you today?
Hello, Maria. I'm doing very well, thank you. How are you?
I'm great. Thank you for asking. Today, we're going to learn how to shop for clothes in English.
That's wonderful. I want to feel confident when I go to a clothing store.
Excellent. By the end of today's lesson, you'll know many useful words and expressions.
I'm excited to start.
Let's begin with a simple question. Do you like shopping for clothes?
Yes, I do. I enjoy buying new clothes.
How often do you buy clothes?
I usually buy clothes every few months.
That's a good habit. Some people shop every week, but others only shop when they need something new.
I only buy clothes when I need them.
That's a smart idea. Now, let's learn some important vocabulary. Look at these clothes. This is a shirt.
Shirt.
Very good. A shirt usually has buttons and a collar.
Shirt.
This is a t-shirt.
T-shirt.
A t-shirt is more casual than a shirt.
T-shirt.
These are jeans.
Jeans.
Jeans are very popular around the world.
Yes, I wear jeans almost every day.
Excellent. This is a jacket.
Jacket.
We wear a jacket when it's cool or cold outside.
I wear a jacket in winter.
Very good. These are shorts.
Shorts.
We usually wear shorts in hot weather.
I like wearing shorts in the summer.
Wonderful. These are shoes.
Shoes.
And these are sneakers.
Sneakers.
Sneakers are comfortable for walking and running.
I wear sneakers almost every day.
Excellent. Now let's learn some colors. What color is the shirt?
It's blue.
Correct. Blue is one of the most popular colors.
Blue is my favorite color.
That's nice. My favorite color is green.
Green is beautiful too.
What color is this t-shirt?
It's white.
Very good. What color are these jeans?
They're black.
Excellent. Now let's practice more colors. Can you name some colors?
Red, blue, green, yellow, black, white, gray, brown, orange, and pink.
Fantastic. You remembered many colors.
Thank you.
Now let's learn about sizes. Clothes come in different sizes.
Yes, I often see size labels.
The most common sizes are small, medium, large, and extra large.
I usually wear medium.
Great. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. Small.
Small.
Medium.
Medium.
Large.
Large.
Extra large.
Extra large.
Excellent pronunciation.
Thank you, Maria.
Now let's imagine we're inside a clothing store.
Okay, I'm ready.
Hello. Welcome to our clothing store. Can I help you?
Yes, please. I'm looking for a new t-shirt.
Certainly. What color would you like?
I'd like a blue t-shirt, please.
We have light blue and dark blue. Which one would you prefer?
I prefer the dark blue one.
Excellent choice. What size do you wear?
I wear a medium.
Let me check. Yes, we have a medium.
Great.
Here you are.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please.
The fitting room is on your left.
Thank you.
Before you go, let's learn a useful expression. Repeat after me. Can I try it on?
Can I try it on?
Very good. This is a common question in clothing stores.
I'll remember it.
Another useful question is, where is the fitting room?
Where's the fitting room?
Excellent.
Thank you.
Now imagine you tried on the t-shirt. Welcome back. How does it fit?
It fits very well.
Wonderful. Is it comfortable?
Yes, it's very comfortable.
Does the color look good on you?
Yes, I think it looks great.
I agree. Blue suits you very well.
Thank you.
Now let's learn another useful sentence. Repeat after me. It fits perfectly.
It fits perfectly.
Excellent. Another sentence is, it's too small.
It's too small.
Very good. And another one is, it's too big.
It's too big.
Excellent. What would you say if the shirt was the right size?
It fits perfectly.
Exactly.
That's easy to remember.
Let's continue shopping. Do you need anything besides a t-shirt?
Yes, I need a pair of jeans.
What color would you like?
Black, please.
Do you like slim fit jeans or regular fit jeans?
I like regular fit jeans because they're more comfortable.
That's a good choice.
Thank you.
Here are two pairs. Which one do you like better?
I like the darker pair.
Great choice. Would you like to try them on?
Yes, please.
Perfect. While you're trying them on, let's learn 2 new words. Tight.
Tight.
Loose.
Loose.
Tight means the clothes are very close to your body.
Tight.
Loose means the clothes are bigger and more comfortable.
Loose.
Excellent. Those are very useful words when shopping for clothes.
I think I'll use those words often.
I'm sure you will. In the next part of our lesson, we'll continue shopping, learn how to ask about prices, talk about discounts, pay at the cashier, practice a complete shopping conversation, and review all the new vocabulary together.
I can't wait.
Clothes Shopping Beginner English Conversation, Part 2. Welcome back, everyone. Let's continue our shopping lesson.
I'm ready to learn more.
Great. You already have a blue t-shirt and a pair of black jeans. What else do you need?
I think I need a jacket.
That's a good idea. Jackets are useful when the weather is cool.
Yes. I don't have many jackets.
Let's look at these jackets. Which one do you like?
I like the gray jacket.
Why do you like the gray one?
Because it looks simple and stylish.
Excellent choice. What size do you need?
Medium, please.
Here is a medium jacket.
Thank you.
Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please.
How does it fit?
It fits perfectly.
Wonderful. Does it feel comfortable?
Yes, it's very comfortable.
That's great. Let's learn another word. This is a sweater.
Sweater.
We usually wear a sweater when it's cold.
I wear a sweater in winter.
Very good. This is a hoodie.
Hoodie.
A hoodie has a hood.
I like wearing hoodies.
They're very comfortable.
Yes, they are.
Now let's learn a few more clothing words. These are socks.
Socks.
This is a belt.
Belt.
This is a hat.
Hat.
These are gloves.
Gloves.
Excellent. You're learning many new words today.
Thank you, Maria.
Now let's practice asking for something in a store. Repeat after me. Do you have this in blue?
Do you have this in blue?
Very good. Now say, do you have this in medium?
Do you have this in medium?
Excellent. These are very useful questions.
I'll remember them.
Now let's continue shopping.
Okay.
Excuse me. Can I help you?
Yes, please. I'm looking for a sweater.
What color would you like?
I'd like a green sweater.
We have green, blue, black, and brown.
I'll take the green one.
Excellent choice.
Thank you.
Would you like anything else?
Yes. I need some socks.
How many pairs would you like?
3 pairs, please.
Here they are.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I also need a belt.
Black or brown?
Black, please.
Here you are.
Perfect.
Now let's go to the cashier.
Great.
Before we pay, let's learn an important question. Repeat after me. How much is this t-shirt?
How much is this t-shirt?
Excellent. Now say, how much are these jeans?
How much are these jeans?
Very good. We use is for one item and are for more than one.
That's easy to remember.
Let's practice with prices.
Okay.
The blue t-shirt is $20.
$20.
The black jeans are $35.
$35.
The gray jacket is $50.
$50.
The green sweater is $30.
$30.
The socks are $10.
$10.
The belt is $15.
$15.
Today we have a special sale.
Really?
Yes, everything is 10% off.
That's great.
Do you know what on sale means?
It means the price is lower.
Exactly. A sale helps customers save money.
I like shopping during sales.
Many people do.
How much is everything after the discount?
The total is $144.
That's a good price.
Would you like to pay by cash or by card?
I'll pay by card.
Certainly. Please insert your card.
Okay.
Please enter your PIN.
Done.
Your payment is successful.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Here is your receipt.
Thank you.
Would you like a shopping bag?
Yes, please.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. You too.
Before we finish, let's review today's vocabulary.
Great idea.
Shirt,
Shirt.
t-shirt,
T-shirt.
jeans,
Jeans.
jacket,
Jacket.
sweater,
sweater,
hoodie,
hoodie,
shorts,
shorts,
shoes,
shoes,
sneakers,
sneakers,
socks,
socks,
belt,
belt,
hat,
hat,
gloves,
gloves,
small,
small,
medium,
medium,
large,
large,
extra large,
extra large,
fitting room.
fitting room.
Try it on.
Try it on.
It fits perfectly.
It fits perfectly.
It's too small.
It's too small.
It's too big.
It's too big.
Tight.
Tight.
Loose.
Loose.
How much is it?
How much is it?
Do you have this in blue?
Do you have this in blue?
I'd like to buy this.
I'd like to buy this.
Pay by card.
Pay by card.
Receipt.
Receipt.
Shopping bag.
Shopping bag.
Fantastic work today, Michael. You can now shop for clothes in English with much more confidence.
Thank you, Maria. I learned many useful words and sentences today.
Keep practicing these conversations, and you'll become more confident every day.
I will. Thank you for another great lesson.
You're very welcome. In our next lesson, we'll learn how to talk about food, fruits, vegetables, and everyday grocery shopping in English.
That sounds exciting. I'll see you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye. See you in the next lesson.